5A.
Option B.
Option A.
A or B or C?
Garbage
C.
value.
Garbage value C.
A. Option A.
Okay. Answer is A option is correct. A option is correct. Okay. Next, the sixth one. Why? How? I will discuss. Okay. What is sixth question answer?
It's compile time error D.
Compile time error.
Yes,
Why?
compile time error.
Why?
Compile
Why?
time error.
Okay.
Because
Why
you
is
can
error?
get two values, 7 and 2.
7 and 2. Answer is there, right? B option.
No. E equal to C plus D is 7 and B into A is 2. So it can't get two values.
We should not write like this. Cannot we write like this? A equals to B equals to 5. Cannot we write like this?
Yeah,
Is
we
it
can
not
write like that, but it is E equal to
But
C
it is
plus D.
getting assigned to an expression, so we can't do it.
Yes, C plus D and D into R expressions. You can't do
Why?
it.
Why it is error? Cannot we write like A plus B equals to 10?
No, it's
Yeah,
we can't
we
do
can
it.
write like that, but
Is it
is
valid or
equal to
error?
C.
A
A
plus B
plus B
equals
equal
to
to
10.
10 is valid, but C plus D equal to B into A is not valid in this case.
Because both are the expressions. And both
Even
are
A plus B equal to 10 is not valid.
Okay, if instead of B into A, if I write 10, is it valid now?
No.
No,
No.
it cannot get assigned to an expression.
Yes.
Same expression, right? This is also same, right? A plus B equals to 10.
No, 10 is getting assigned to C plus D, right?
10 value assigned to C plus D. Yeah. Here also same, right? 10 also assigned to A plus B.
We can't do that. I'm thinking that we can't do.
Okay. Answer is error. Compile time error. Correct only. What reason is not that? I will explain. Okay. D option is correct. Okay. Seventh question. What is the answer?
0.
0. Okay. Good. Okay. Varalakshmi, what is the answer?
No idea, sir.
No idea. Okay. Answer is A. Compile time error. This is also compile time error. Okay. Shortcut operator. You know shortcut operators. A equals to A plus 1. The shortcut we can write A plus equals to 1. Right? That is arithmetic operators. A equals to A plus B. We can write shortcut is A plus equals to B. This is also valid. Okay. Why? Because these are arithmetic operators. If it is arithmetic operators, we can write. Okay. If I am writing A equals to A and B, which operator it is?
Logical and
Yes. Yeah. Shortcut only for arithmetic operators, not for logical operators. Clear it is? Okay. Limitations also is there for shortcuts. A equals to A plus B, that is arithmetic operator. We can write A plus equals to B, but A equals to A and B, we should not write like this. This is error. Compile time error. It is option A is correct. Okay, eighth question. Eighth question.
It's D. Value of X is 9.
9.
Value of
Nine.
X is
12.
12.
A.
Okay.
Option D.
See, option
Value of X is 9.
9.
value of X is 9. Okay. How?
Option A.
How it takes the values? How can you say it is the 9 B value? How it takes?
Yeah, 9.
Okay, how it takes? Plus A, what it takes?
Plus A becomes 4, and as A is post increment, it doesn't get evaluated. Like in the next step, it gets evaluated.
Okay, what it takes then?
3.
4.
Out 4.
Yeah. See, if you have written the expression like this, how it evaluates. We have two types of evaluation, stack evaluation and register evaluation. Okay. We'll discuss later what is stack evaluation and register evaluation. Stack evaluation means what? Register evaluation means what? Okay, if it is stack evaluation, example, if I write int x equals to or int j equals to, now I'm writing int j equals to plus I plus example plus I. Okay, same expression in the register operator. If I use register evaluation, plus I plus I. What is the difference? Is there any difference? This is called initialization, right? This is
Yes.
called initialization. This is called assignment of a variable. This is called assignment of a variable. What is the difference? If it is stack evaluation, how it evaluates left to right. Example, if I take I is 3 value. Example, if I take I is 3, how it takes? If I take I equals to 3, we get one type of output here in the stack evaluation. If it is register evaluation, we get another type of output in the register evaluation. Okay, if it is stack, what is mean by stack? Right? This is initialization is called stack. Assignment is called register evaluation. Okay. See, now if I say like this is stack, this is register. Okay, what is the difference? What is the difference? It follows operator precedence. Which one? Register evaluation. It follows operator precedence. It follows operator precedence. Clear? It follows operator precedence. What about this stack evaluation? It doesn't follow any operator precedence. It doesn't follow operator precedence, but it evaluates from left to right. It evaluates from left to right. That is stack evaluation. Example, if I take stack evaluation left to right, I said, right? Left to right. If it is stack evaluation, then now it takes left to right means what it takes? Left to right. Now, first plus I, 4 plus 4 plus I, 5. Here it takes 9. Here it takes 9. But when it is a register evaluation, first priority is this. First priorities we have to write. First priorities. Okay, how we take this priorities? First priority we have to write. First 2 times increment will be performed. Increment will be performed 2 times. Why? Because first priority is increment. First I value is 3. 2 times will be incremented. 2 times will be incremented. 3 value, if after first this one will be incremented 4, this one will be incremented next 5. Now I value is 5, right? I value is 5. Next, which operation will be performed? Addition. Addition will be performed. What is I value? Current I value. Here after incrementing I value is 5. Then it takes 5 plus 5. Then it takes 5 plus 5. What is 5 plus 5? It's a 10. It is called register evaluation. This is called stack evaluation. Now tell me, what is this stack? Okay, this is stack evaluation or register evaluation. Initialization, it is stack evaluation, right? This is stack evaluation. Then how it takes the values? I told you left to right it takes the values. Now plus a means what it takes? 4, right? A plus plus means fourth increment, but it takes a value 4, but a value here incremented. A value will be incremented, that is 5. A value will be incremented post increment. First it takes the previous value. First it takes the previous value, but a value will be incremented. Now a value is 5 plus minus a. Minus a means a value will be incremented. What is a value? 5 it is. Previously 5, now it is 4. 4 plus 4 plus 4, it is 12. A option is correct because of stack evaluation. First of all, you should know whether it is stack evaluation or register evaluation. Okay. At the time of this topic, we will discuss many examples. Now, answer is what? A. A option is correct. Okay. Next, come to the 9th. What is the answer? X equals to 10, 20, 30. What is the answer here? Which value is correct?
10 option A.
D.
10 now?
Compile time error.
Compile time error. Why?
How can we assign 3 values with
Multiple
comma?
values to x.
Multiple values to X. This is called comma operator. We are not assigning these values. Comma operator is. Comma operator what? Right side value. Comma operator right side value. Comma operator right side value takes. But if I write 10 comma 20 comma 30, then what it gives? First, which operator it gives? See, example. See, now I will show you. Now I will show you. See this. Now I am writing program execution. Always start from main. Always start from main. See, if I write int x equals to 10 comma 20 comma 30. This is error. 10 comma, this is called initialization. Initialization is error. Save as dot c extension. Save as dot c extension. Now I want to save as dot c extension. Header files are optional. Now I want to print x value. If I want to print x, now I want to print x value. Now I am printing x value. What is x value? Print x value. Percentile d, print x. Now I am printing x. See, if I print x, it's an error, compilation error. Why? Because declaration terminated incorrectly. We should not write like this. Int x equals to, we should not write like this. Then which one is valid? Now I will declare int x, I will take int x. We can write like this. This is called assignment. Assignment is valid. See, all of you, assignment is valid. X equals to 10, 20, 30. If I give 10, 20, 30, this is valid. No errors. There is no errors. But what is the output? If I write like this, they are warnings. If I write this comma operator, it returns right side value. Comma operator returns right side value. Here also it takes a higher priority. Comma operator and equals to, two operators are there, right? Comma equals to is there. Okay, if comma operator is there, equals to operator is there. First assignment or separation. Comma operator, it returns the right side value. Now which value it gives? This first parenthesis value will be evaluated. Why? Because parentheses are having higher priority, right? Parentheses are having higher priority. That's why this value will be evaluated. Now what it takes? Now 30. 30 value assigned. Second operation is what? Equals to. 30 value assigned to x. See here. 30 value assigned to x. Why? Because first priority is this. First priority is this. Okay. Comma operator is having least priority. Comma operator is having least priority. Whenever you are writing parentheses, now it is having, now it is getting higher priority, right? Same operation, see, same statement if I write like this, x equals to 10, 20, 30. Which operator has higher precedence? Equals to or comma? Equals to has having higher priority than comma. Okay, comma is the least priority, least operator, right? Now first assignment will be performed. First assignment will be performed. 10 value assigned to x first. 10 value assigned to x. Now after that, this value it returns 30. This value it returns 30, but it won't assign to x. First time only, first operation, first priority is equals to, that's why 10 value assigned to x first. Now see, in this case what it takes? 10. We are understood? That is comma operator. Okay, again at the time of this topic we will discuss about this. What is 10th one? Which of the following errors will be reported by compiler when we are compiling this program? A equals to 5. First error is what? There is no break statement in each case. This is not an error. This is not an